Introduction: Navigating Plant-Based Nutrition.
Plant-based diets can boost health and well-being, but simple mistakes can lead to fatigue, nutrient shortfalls, or frustration. Understanding common pitfalls and how to address them will help you thrive on a plant-based journey. Let's explore the most frequent errors and learn practical solutions for eating well and feeling your best.
Mistake number 1: not getting enough protein.
A common worry is not eating enough protein. While plant foods offer protein, it's easy to fall short if you skip beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, or quinoa. To avoid this, include a plant protein source at every meal and vary your choices for a balanced diet that supports muscle health and energy levels.
Mistake number 2: overlooking key nutrients.
Iron, vitamin B12, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids can be harder to get in a plant-based diet. To fill gaps, enjoy leafy greens, whole grains, nuts, seeds, and consider fortified foods or supplements for B12. Talk with a healthcare provider about testing and supplementation as needed for your individual needs.
Mistake number 3: too much processed food.
Many modern plant-based foods are highly processed. Relying heavily on convenience burgers, chips, and sweets can limit fiber and nutrients. Focus on mostly whole foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. These nourish your body, support gut health, and help you feel satisfied.
Mistake number 4: ignoring meal variety.
Eating the same few meals or foods can cause boredom and nutrient gaps. Avoid a repetitive menu by exploring diverse ingredients and global cuisines. Try new grains, colorful veggies, and herbs to create balanced, delicious meals each week that excite your taste buds and fuel your body.
Mistake number 5: forgetting about planning.
Plant-based eating takes a bit of planning. Without it, you may face last-minute decisions and less nutritious choices. Set yourself up for success by meal prepping, keeping healthy snacks on hand, and learning quick recipes. Preparation makes sticking to your goals easier and more enjoyable every day.
Wrap up: thriving on a plant-based diet.
Avoiding common plant-based nutrition mistakes can help you stay energized and healthy. Prioritize variety, plan ahead, and pay attention to protein and key nutrients. With a mindful approach, you can fully enjoy the benefits of plant-based eating and feel your best on your wellness journey.